such a calm and peaceful day. That bird is in trouble. Got you. Are you all right? Don't be scared. You're safe now. Just rest.
I thought I was done for Dot. Thank you, kind cat.
You're welcome. I'm just glad I could help.
I feel much better now. You really saved me.
It's nice to help others. It makes the world feel warmer.
I never expected a cat to save me, but here you are, my hero.
Heroes come in all shapes and sizes. Sometimes we just need to be there.
Thank you, kind cat. I'll never forget you.
Sometimes helping someone in need is all it takes to make a difference. A small act of kindness can go a long way. It's a good day to do good things.
The bird soars higher in the sky, looking back at Neo Camp for one final time before flying off into the horizon.
You never know when you'll get the chance to be someone's hero. Let's make today a good day for everyone. I hope that bird finds all the happiness it deserves. A simple act of kindness can make the world a little warmer. Today's a good day to be kind. Sometimes doing the right thing makes everything else feel just right. I'm proud of today. It's a new day. Let's make it count. I'll always be here, ready to help when needed.